Winter is just around the corner, but before you can start enjoying the winter wonderland, it's time to get your recreational products ready for the cold weather. As the seasons change and winter approaches, it's time to think about giving your beloved collector vehicle a well-deserved rest. Before you put your collector vehicle into winter storage, there are several important steps to take to ensure it remains in top condition. Fuel stabilizer, your engine's best friend. As fuel sits, it degrades and coats the inside of the tank and engine parts. Stabilizer in the tank prevents that. Run the engine a little to get the treatment into the carburetor or injectors. Top off the fuel. This prevents condensation buildup in the tank and the oil. Make sure the oil level is full. Once spring comes around, you'll want to start the car, warm the engine up to operating temperature to burn out the moisture, and then change the oil so you're ready for show season. Test your antifreeze. Testing the antifreeze is extremely important to preventing freeze damage to the inside of the engine block. Antifreeze testers are available at most auto parts stores. Clean before covering. Clean and wax the exterior before putting on a breathable car cover. This will help maintain paint quality and prevent moisture that can cause corrosion and mildew. Treat your tires. Inflate tires properly and treat them with a good tire gel, both inside and outside walls. If you can, put the car on jack stands to get the weight off the tires and help prevent flat spots. Drier is better. The interior and exterior of the car need to be protected from moisture. A damp garage will corrode all bare metals, damage paint, and cause mildew and mold in the interior. A small fan or a shop light with a incandescent light bulb under the car will help eliminate moisture. For the interior, some sort of moisture-absorbing material will keep things clean and dry. Stay charged. Use a battery tender that monitors the battery and charges it when needed. Double-check coverage. Last but not least, check your car's insurance policy or talk with your agent. Even if you're storing your ride indoors, it's still at risk of theft, vandalism, or damage. As the days get shorter and the temperatures drop, it's time to think about storing your motorcycle for the season. Here are some tips that may help. Remember, fuel stabilizer is the engine's best friend. As fuel sits, it degrades and coats the inside of the tank and engine parts. A stabilizer in the tank prevents that. Run the engine a little to get the treatment into the carburetor and injectors. Top off the fuel. This prevents condensation buildup in the tank. Old oil becomes acidic. When the engine is warm, change it and add a small amount into the cylinders to keep them protected too. Add antifreeze. If the bike is liquid-cooled, refresh the antifreeze. Wash, dry, and polish. The goal is to clean off corrosive material, then build up a protective coating on the metal, chrome, and leather. Stay off the concrete. Park the bike on a sheet of plywood or an old carpet or elevate the cycle on a stand. The intent is to prevent flat spots from forming and eliminate moisture buildup under the tires. Cover it. After completing the steps above, you can now put the entire bike in a storage bag. This will keep it protected from whatever the kids or wind bring into the garage over the winter. The boating season may be coming to an end, but that doesn't mean you can't start planning for next year's adventures on the water. But proper preparation is key to ensuring your boat remains in top condition over the winter months. There are several crucial steps to take to make sure you're ready to hit the water again in the spring. Before winter storage, clean out all the damp and wet materials, including any fabrics that can hold moisture. This will help prevent musty smells in the boat after the long winter. Be sure to clean and protect the canvas that protects your boat all season long. The reason for most canvas leaks is due to dirt being trapped between the canvas threads. The dirt will act like a funnel and allow water to pass straight through. Don't forget to reapply a protectant to the canvas to preserve it from the elements. One of the most highly neglected boating accessories is not even on the boat. It's the trailer your boat sits on. You trust the trailer to get your boat to and from the lake, but it's rarely maintained until something breaks. Maintenance tasks such as brake service, paint protection, tire checks, lubing, and greasing the brakes and bearings will keep your trips on schedule. Remember to pull your boat's hull drain plug when it's stored out of the water. If your shrink wrap or covers fail during the off-season, rainwater buildup could fill the bilge and submerge the motor and systems for a long period of time. That'll ruin next season in a hurry. Finally, be sure to have your boat, motor, and all systems professionally winterized. Most important, remember to have marine antifreeze installed. Marine antifreeze not only protects the systems from freezing temperatures, but it has corrosion inhibitors that help control the decay of metals inside the cooling systems. Relying on a knowledgeable marine service professional can put your mind at ease because typically damage from freezing is not covered by most insurance policies.
Want to learn more? Visit amig.com/ramp to sign up for a webinar, watch a video, download a job aid, and more. Be sure to also like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.